Thanks for watching Afternoon Live. 'Tis the season for raking leaves, chopping wood, and hopefully not yet, even shoveling snow. Well, here to show us how to complete these chores without straining our backs, we welcome back health and wellness expert Dr. Paul Reed is with us.
Welcome back.
Was that not so subtle?
Good. Yeah, that was good. Not so subtle. That was good. I like it.
It's good to see you. How are you?
Well, I'm doing awesome. And you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Good.
I mean, I haven't had to get out there and chop any wood lately.
No, you don't have him
like
out there with the axe and the rake and okay.
You don't want to see me with an axe.
Uh-oh.
Probably not a good idea.
Kids, stay out of the way.
Husband more like it. Okay, what are some of the tips that you have so that we're not hurting ourselves basically when we have to do these chores?
So we want to have proper mechanics, just as with sitting or lifting and any other things that we've talked about. So we want to maintain a stable spine, so then we're raking or lifting the wood or chopping the wood.
Right.
We prevent as many injuries as possible. So
because it just seems so simple. You think about, okay, go rake the leaves, and it's like, all right, and it's a simple motion, right? You just kind of
go out there cold
raking the
and
leaves.
And they're wet and heavy, and we don't think about it, and then it's that repetitive motion.
Oh, that's what my husband was talking about.
See, he was complaining about it, wasn't he?
He was.
He came in hurting.
And I was like, oh, please.
Stop whining, get over it, we're good.
You'll be all right. But so, is this almost like we should look at it like any other athletic activity?
100%, yeah.
Okay.
So we are athletes, right? We're different type of athletes, so we need to take care of ourselves as such. So
the first thing you would say is that we should stretch.
Yeah, get a little warm. Just increase blood flow to the area you're going to be using so that the muscles are more responsive and going to stretch and be more limber. Yeah.
Okay, so now in the motion of raking or chopping, so are you just kind of stretching the upper body?
Yeah, so just want to warm up your trunk area, your mid to low back, and really the muscles you're going to be using is your core, your stomach, and your low back. So when you want to get those warm and stretched.
All right, so now we've done that, right? We've got all that. How should we stand when we're doing these? Is there a special way?
So for bending or picking something up, we want to keep a neutral stance and head up and eyes forward. So if I was gonna, let's demonstrate picking this guy up, right? Okay. So if this is down here, so that is not putting it down right. We're lifting like that, right? So we want to be neutral and down in that pattern instead of, so we envision your spine. We want to keep these normal curves.
Yeah.
And so if we're rounding our low back to pick up that log, it's going to put extra pressure on our disc, and that's where we're going to have an injury or inflammation, irritation. So we want to try and maintain healthy biomechanics with the spine.
So you really want to focus when you're coming back up.
Yeah, for sure, because you're going to have a load, increased load. So like if somebody's pushing down.
It looks like you basically did a squat.
Almost essentially, yeah.
Oh, man. So you mean on top of, I hate squats.
You're at the gym doing them, you're good.
I'm not picking that up. I think you got that one. Okay, so now let's talk about raking the leaves.
Yeah. So same thing, let's kick this guy out of the way.
There we go.
So with the raking, we want to do what we would call a scissor stance. Okay. So instead of pulling towards us, we'd have one, left leg forward, right leg back, and pulling in that manner. So you're gonna, like the golf swing we talked about a while back, we want to balance out. So then switch, right foot forward, left foot back, and then use those opposing muscles on the opposite side so that we're staying balanced.
All right, let me see if I can try.
See what she's got.
Okay, now wait a minute. I don't want to get too good at this, Aster. This is still your job. All right, here we go. Wait, okay.
Good stuff. Yep, perfect.
Wait, was it how much?
Yep, and you want to, again, head up to keep that curve in your neck, right? We don't want to be looking down.
It seems weird, or like I'm trying to be glamorous, like, hello, everyone. I'm raking leaves. Look at me, everyone. I want to look down, so you shouldn't?
Well, I mean, you can gaze down, but you don't want to have that rounded shoulder. Rounded shoulder and head down. So we want to.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm looking down.
A little stiff, but that's okay.
It is okay because it's not my actual job.
There you go.
Okay, but no, that's good. It's good to know that there's this particular way we should stand. Now, when we're grabbing the leaves, just like grabbing the log, same squat?
Same squat motion, yeah. Two hands.
Seriously?
Try not to do a scissor. Yeah, so down, squat down, and up. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now we're doing that, and we're trying to...
Yeah, and then try and switch sides to the bag or dumpster too, right? So you're rotating both ways.
Okay, so we need to keep the core tight during all of this. 100%. Gosh, I feel like it's a total workout session. All right, so now...
Burn more calories for the holidays.
It's true. So now, after all this is done, and if you feel some soreness or stiffness, what should you do?
Ice and stretch would be the easiest thing.
Oh, okay. So you just grab a little ice pack, put it on the area.
Ice pack, some frozen vegetables, frozen peas.
Okay.
Ice it if it's a little sore. It doesn't go away, and then you want to seek more counsel. But yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wow, it's pretty serious. I feel like I put in a little workout.
It's dangerous.
Won't be me though, Dr. Paul. It won't be me. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. Thanks for having me.
All right, we're gonna have more of these tips and information about Dr. Paul for you on our website.